Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the chapter number 7, the weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. The subject science, class 7, day 1. We do our work according to the weather conditions. We plan a family function in the summer season, because if the weather is going to be cloudy, so we make the waterproof pandal. We suggest to have a closed pandal. In fact, many of our daily activities are planned as per weather predicted by the predicted for that day. Thus, weather has a profound effect on our lives. Hence, there are daily reports of weather on the television, radio, and in the newspapers are given. It is easy to do or to plan our work according to the weather conditions. You can see in this chapter and learn also. Here is given the weather report by the newspaper. You see in this figure 7.1, weather reports which appeared in a newspaper on Sunday. It shows the temperature, the maximum and minimum temperature, the moonrise and moonset, and the sunrise and sunset, humidity. These shows the weather conditions of that particular day. Weather forecast tells us that how the sky is partly cloudy or sky is clear, or when the sun rise and sunset, the minimum and maximum temperatures. So we find that the daily weather reports carries information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during the past 24 hours. The weather report also predicts the weather for the day, the atmospheric conditions on a particular day at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall and direction of wind, etc. is called the weather at that place on that day. It means the temperature, humidity and other factors are called the elements of the weather. The weather reports are prepared by the scientists called meteorologists of the Indian Meteorological Department of the Government of India. This department uses different scientific instruments to collect data on temperature, pressure, wind speed, wind direction, humidity, cloud formation and makes the weather forecast. It depends on the sun that causes change in the weather, because all changes in the weather are mainly caused by the sun. The sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. It is the source of all heat and light on the earth. The heat of the sun absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, oceans and the atmosphere. It plays a vital role in determining the temperature at any place. Temperature of air around us on a particular day that will be high. We say that the weather is hot. The heat of the sun causes the water from the surface of oceans and land to evaporate to form weather vapor. If there is a lot of water vapor or moisture in the air, so we say that the weather is humid. The newspapers, the news channels and radio forecast every day the weather conditions of our country and the surroundings of our country and around the world. So we know that the sun heats up the earth's surface, the hot surface of the earth heats the air near it, and that hot air rises up, creating an area of low pressure. Air from high pressure areas moves toward the low pressure areas. This moving of air is called wind. So it is the heat of the sun that causes the wind to blow. When a lot of wind blows, then we say that the weather is windy. You see the everyday. Here the figure is given 7.2. The changes in the weather are caused by the sun, the hot air, the cloudy weather and the rainy weather. That's all.